Hi guys, welcome to my channel and how to download whether DCP-L3551CDW printer driver download and installations manual and USB. Okay, so first open any browsers to Google search box to like that. Okay, with model number and driver. After that, it will open the brother official website support.brother.com. This official website and driver download only official website only. Okay, so click on first this website, click on it. After that, it will open the brother official website. Now you can see micro Windows, Mac, Linux, mobiles also there. Okay, so different. So select the operating system Windows and Windows 11. So you can see the Windows 10, 32-bit, 64-bit server, all servers are there. Okay, select the Windows 10 and then click to OK. Now you can see this is full options, full software pack. This is a driver. Okay, so full software means driver plus software included. So need to any options like take printing and screenshot. This is small operating system included in this. Okay, and this is the printer scanner driver or the USB and set click to download. So when you click to download, scroll down, click to agree and download. After that, it will start downloading in the download box. You can see this is started 41.2 MB. Okay, then it is completed. Then click on these icons. It will open where it is downloaded. Okay, so you can come on manually if you don't know show these options. Okay, after that, this is right click to open and it will extract like this and then it will create the GDI folder. Okay, so if you open, you can see this is your driver. Okay, and then next and very important, click to start, then setting, and then click on Bluetooth and device, and then click printer as scanner, then click on add device. So when you click to add device, it will open the manual options after within a 5 second like this, and then guys click on add device manually. After that, different options there. This is connected with the share network and this is for the Wi-Fi and this is Bluetooth wireless and network. Last is very important for us. This is manual options. Then next, now click have disk and click to browse, then click to document where it is extracted in come these locations. Then GDI open this folder and select this inf.inf file and then click to open. After that, click to OK. Now find out this printer which is are using 3551. Okay, DCP 3551. Then next, now this is your printer name. If you want to change, you can. Then next, now this is printer is installing. Yeah, and finish. So this is your printer. You can open, you can see, and click to test page. Before that, need to restart your laptop, desktop, and your printer also. And after that, you can see, you can printing and then check it. Okay, thank you.